Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing question 6 from the 2008 Step 2. Let's get started. Question 6. A curve has the equation y equals f of x, where f of x equals cosine of 2x plus pi over 3 plus sine of 3x over 2 minus pi over 4. Part 1. Find the period of f of x. Part 2. Determine all values of x in the interval negative pi to pi inclusive for which f of x equals 0. Find the value of x in this interval at which the curve touches the x-axis without crossing it. Part 3. Find the value or values of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi inclusive for which f of x equals 2. Pause the video to have a think, and once you're ready, restart to see if you were correct. Let's get started. For part 1, firstly, we'll write down the periods of each of the separate sections. The period of the left is pi and the period of the right is 4 pi over 3. We now need to find the lowest common multiple of these periods. This, of course, is 4 pi, and that's our answer. Now, let's move on to part 2. We have sine of 3 over 2x minus pi over 4 equals negative cosine 3 over 2x plus pi over 4. Because sine and cosine are pi over 2 apart. F of x equals 0 can then be represented by cosine of 2x plus pi over 3 equals cosine of 3 over 2x plus pi over 4. Knowing that cosine is even and periodic, we can then say 2x plus pi over 3 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 3 over 2x plus pi over 4. We can now find the solutions to this by taking the plus or minus sign to be alternately plus or minus and solving for x. Here on the left we've taken the plus or minus sign to be positive, and therefore we have half x equals 2n pi minus pi over 12, and therefore x equals 4n pi minus 1 over 6 pi. X is therefore equal to negative 1/6 pi. This is the only answer that lies within the region. Now, if the sign is negative, then we have 7 over 2x equals 2n pi minus 7 pi over 12. X is therefore equal to 4 over 7n pi minus 1/6 pi, and therefore x is negative 31 over 42 pi, negative 1/6 pi, 17 over 42 pi, or 41 over 42 pi. Here I've rewritten out these roots of the function. Now, we'll notice that negative 1 over 6 pi appears twice, and that means it's a root which does not cross the x-axis. Now, let's move on to part 3. We'll notice that the maximum of sine k is 1, and that the maximum of cosine k is also 1, and therefore f of x equals 2 is only achieved when both the cosine and the sine term are both equal to 1. For these two cases, we can solve the function separately. We have cosine of 2x plus pi over 3 equals 1, and therefore 2x plus pi over 3 equals 2n pi. X is therefore equal to 5 pi over 6, or 11 pi over 6. On the right, we have sine of 3 over 2x minus pi over 4 equals 1, and therefore 3 over 2x minus pi over 4 equals 2n pi plus pi over 2. We therefore have x equals half pi, or 11 over 6 pi. Therefore, the final value of x is 11 pi over 6, as that is the only answer when both cosine and sine are equal to 1. And that's our answer. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for some more fun maths problems. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.